morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter area related to circles. Exercise 12.3 6th sum. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. So a circular table cover is there. The radius of that is given as 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. So ABC is the equilateral triangle inside this circle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. So we are asked to find the area of this shaded region. So for that the information given is radius. So we will take this as the center. So the radius is given as, so all these are the radius. So the radius, length of the radius is given as 32 centimeter. So how we are going to find this sum is, first we will find the area of the circle minus area of the equilateral triangle. We will get the area of the remaining design. So for finding the area of the equilateral triangle, formula is root 3 by 4 a square. So a is the length of the side. So that length of the side is not given. So first we need to find that one. Okay. So first the beginning will be area of the circle we will find. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So that is 22 by 7 into radius is given as 32 centimeter. So 32 into 32. This much centimeter square. It is given in centimeters. So centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Then for finding the area of the equilateral triangle, we need to know the side as I told you. So for finding the length of the side, we will extend this radius till this, that is AM, where this M meets BC, that is the AM is the median of this triangle. Okay, so the median for the equilateral triangle is AM. For an equilateral triangle, that will be bisecting, that is it will be bisecting the opposite side at perpendicular, that is at 90 degree angle it will bisect. So M is the midpoint of AC. So A and M, AM is the median of this equilateral triangle, one side. Okay, so now we will use trigonometric ratios to find the length of the side. Since this is perpendicular, we will take OMC or OMB as a right angle triangle, as this is 90 degree. It is intersecting at 90 degree. So OMC is a right angle triangle. Okay, then OC is the radius. So the length of the radius is given as 32 centimeter. Okay, then this angle, that is angle BOA, angle AOC, angle BOC. So all these angles will be 120 degree. That is, the circle is divided into 3 equal parts. The center point is divided into 3 equal parts. So the angle around the center point will be 360 degree. That divided by 3 will be 120. So each angle is 120 degree. So this is the median. So that bisects that angle also. So we'll get an angle of 60 degree here. Okay. Then in this triangle OMC, in this right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, one is 60 degree. So the remaining will be 30 degree. We'll use this using angle sum property of the triangle. So now we got 3 angles. Whatever necessary measurements we need, we will find it. Okay. So we will find the length of this CM. We will find the length of the CM or OM we will find. Then we will find the other one. So in triangle OMC, either we can take sin theta or cos theta value, but we need to know the length of the CM. That is the side of the equilateral triangle. If we find the length of the CM, we will multiply it by 2 and find the length of the equilateral triangle. So I will be taking sin 60 here. So sin 60 value is, here we have sin 60 degree. So sin 60 will be opposite side, that is CM by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side is OC. Okay, so sin 60 is equal to Cm by OC. So sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to Cm we need to find, and OC length is given as 32 centimeter. So we'll get the length of Cm as 32 root 3 by 2. 32 root 3 by 2. So when we simplify this, we'll get this as 16 root 3 centimeter. So this is the length of Cm. Into 2 will be the length of BC. So BC is equal to 2 into Cm, that is 2 into 16 root 3, that is equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. So this is the length of the equilateral triangle. So now we'll find the area of this equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to, we know the formula, root 3 by 4 a square. So that is root 3 by 4 into length. We got it as 32 root 3. 32 root 3. So a square. So 32 root 3 into 32 root 3. So we'll get the answer as 32 into 32 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. One more root 3 we will get divided by 4. Okay, so 4, 8 times 32. So now we'll multiply all these things. 8 3s are 24. So 32 into 24 will be 768. So 768 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now we need to find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So area of the circle is 22 into 32 into 32 by 7. 22 into 32 square by 7 minus 768 root 3. Okay, so we'll multiply this. So 32 into 32 is, so it will be 1024 into 22 will be 2048522. So it will be 22528 divided by 7 minus 768 root 3. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer in centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer. Okay, thank you.